Bianca the Beauty Nerd. Welcome to my channel. I used to be the beauty editor of Cosmopolitan Philippines and worked in product development and marketing for a number of beauty brands. I could talk about ingredients for hours on end, and I love breaking things down and simplifying things so that you could understand the science behind your favorite beauty products. I have a bunch of videos lined up for you, and I'm so excited to take you along for the ride. So please do subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!